In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell Alibaba products on Etsy. Before we dive in, an important note: you can't simply buy items on Alibaba and resell them as is on Etsy. Etsy is a marketplace for handmade, vintage, and custom designed goods, so you need to modify, personalize, or rebrand the product before you list it. Think of it as turning a base product into something uniquely yours, whether that's adding your logo, custom artwork, personalized engraving, or branded packaging. Start by heading to Alibaba and searching for products that lend themselves to customization, like jewelry, mugs, or home decor. Use the site's filters and select customizable to quickly find suppliers who offer printing, engraving, or private labeling, and choose verified supplier for added trust. Read product pages carefully, check minimum order quantities, and skim reviews and photos. If pricing looks too good to be true, confirm what's included. Custom work often has setup fees and specific design requirements. Next, contact potential suppliers and ask directly if they can add your logo, design, or label. Be clear about the method you want: laser engraving, embroidery, or printed decals, and request a digital mockup. Confirm lead times, sample availability, and costs for customization and shipping. Ask about packaging options as well. A simple branded box or tag can elevate your product for Etsy. Keep communication concise and professional so you can compare responses across multiple suppliers. Order samples to check quality and confirm customization. When they arrive, inspect materials, color accuracy, alignment of prints or engravings, and overall durability. If anything seems off, request adjustments. Once you're satisfied, place a bulk order with your final branding or design and confirm a pre-production proof. Choose a shipping method that balances cost and speed. If you want to go further to fit Etsy's handmade spirit, add your own touches at home, like a hand-tied ribbon, a custom insert card, or upgraded packaging. Now head to Etsy and create your seller account. Click Add a listing and upload high-quality photos of your customized products. Use natural light, multiple angles, and a simple background. Lifestyle shots help buyers picture the item in use. Write a clear, keyword-rich title and description that explains what's customized and how buyers can personalize it. Set your price, processing time, and shipping options, and add relevant tags like custom handmade gift or personalized item. Publish your listing and wait for Etsy approval. Respond quickly to customer messages and promote your shop on TikTok, Instagram, or Pinterest to drive traffic. Consistency and great service win repeat buyers.